there. I'm going to do a black and white and is this gold or copper? Copper pour. So this just has a bunch of, anytime I would mix up black paint, like Mars black, oh my god, I'm blank, metallic black, ivory black, That's not right, is it? I don't know. I'm totally blanking. I just put them all in here, so it's kind of a collection of different ones. And then this is the Arteza Pearl Gold Copper mixed with, I had mixed that one too thin, so I put a little iridescent medium in it to thicken it up. Alright, I'm going to use the airbrush. This is a 5x7. And this is my Dutch Boy white paint with Floetrol and water. Just out of a squeeze bottle today instead of the other because it's such a small canvas. Decide what kind of pour I wanted to do. I wanted to do a black and white, and I love black and white string pours, but my last video was a string pour, so I didn't want to do that again. This previous painting had some pink, so even though I put a thin coat of white over it, I can still see it. Not much I can do about that. I can just touch it up as it dries. Such a small canvas, so I don't have a whole lot of room to take this. Always start it away, don't start it here, start it away from the canvas. And then I kind of like to go around it and get it all in and then go back and do my stuff. That is so pretty. I did not know this was how it would turn out, like with the copper lacing and I knew it would be cool, but I didn't know it would be that cool. I'm going to push some of this off the side though. Whoops, shoot. Got a little heavy-handed there. is so cool. Now I need to do this on a bigger canvas. Real quick torch because I don't want a bunch of white cells coming up. I got some, but not too many. Oh, this is so cool. Coming up where there was pink. Oh my gosh, so cool. Love it. This would be stunning on a big canvas. So elegant. So cool. So thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you next time. Bye.